Yeah. Yeah. I can tell you my story. Nigga, I run this shit. No nigga can be me. Yeah, nigga, I run this shit. Nigga, I run this shit. Nigga, I run this shit. I can tell you my story. Nigga, I run this shit. Nigga think that I'm lame. No, but I'm chasing my fame. These nigga think that I'll be the same. Whoa, I'm a straight nigga from the heaven. When I rap, they gon' call me Zola 7. Yeah, nigga, middle finger to the haters. Nigga, middle finger to the haters. Cause all these bitches, I'll turn them to a waiter. Nigga, stop calling my name. Can't you see that I'm changing the game? I'm a hustler straight from the paradise, yeah. Nigga, angos cotton. Nigga, nfuza utitomba wen. Yeah, ngoba boy mna ndidlala ngemali. Fuck the haters, ngoba ndimi bakho. Yeah, ndimi bakho. I can tell you my story. Nigga, I run this shit. No nigga can be me. Yeah, nigga, I run this shit. Nigga, I run this shit. Nigga, I run this shit. I can tell you my story. Nigga, I run this shit.
I'm feeling like I'm Superman. I swear I flex an element. Hey, Ace up with the vindication. Taking bitches all on vacation. I've been kicking ass in the season. Offering new bands in Olympus. She a new chick, we explicit. Exhibition, unlimited. Need a new car and a new crib. That's right, I aim off the real shit. Did a great hit and a new clip.
100.
Be on chill pills. Back on love, nigga, just enjoy the ride. I'm sure by now your thoughts are wide. Wild thoughts, nigga. Stop having wild thoughts. Yeah.
I can tell you my story. Nigga, I run this shit. No nigga can be me. Yeah, nigga, I run this shit. Nigga, I run this shit. Nigga, I run this shit.